Hello viewers, welcome to Automators Industrial Projects. We are starting a new tutorial series on Codesys with the WAGO PLC. We are going to cover this assignment in this tutorial series. We have a total 20 number of assignment, and the difficulty level of assignment will be increased by tutorial. So as this is a first tutorial, we will start with our first basic program. This is our first program. Have a look on this. This is a truth table. When my both inputs are false, then output 1 should high, and when both input are true, then output 2 should true. Let's dive into it. Open the Codesys V2.3, which is a free software for programming WAGO PLC. So we will create a new. Right now I don't have any PLC, physical PLC, so I'll select none. First we can insert the network from here, or Control T is a shortcut for inserting network. We will write logic for that. When both are false, that is when both input are low, my output 1 should be high. So we will assign variable name input1. The class of variable will be input variable, and the type will be boolean. For input2, class of variable will be input and type will be boolean. This will be my output 1, and this will be my output variable. So class of variable will be output, type will be boolean. In second network, the logic is when both inputs are true. When both inputs are true, my output 2 should be turned on. So input 1 is high, input 2 is high. When you create the variables earlier, so in next time it won't pop up the variable to declare. So output 2 is not declared earlier, so as soon as I write the variable for output 2, the pop-up will come. And for this I will choose the class variable output, and the data type will be a boolean. Controls, we will save this logic. The name will be first assignment, right? First underscore assignment. Save. We will simulate this program. Go on, do login and click on run. We will force the values. As you can see, my both inputs are low, so my output 1 is high as per your logic. We will force the true value by forcing from here, force values. So now my input 1 is 1 and input 2 is 0, so none is the output is on. So I will force second input as well, force values. So here are my 4 input, and input 2 are true, so output 2 is true.